Houseplants are the perfect home decor accent. Adding greenery to your home can really elevate your interiors and allow you and your family to breathe cleaner air. But first, you'll need to pick the right plants and figure out where to place them in your home so they continue to thrive. Houseplants are meant to be enjoyed, so first find a few locations where you can style your plants. Maybe it's next to a seating area, by a window, or on a stand near a fireplace. Your home will have areas with different light conditions depending on your windows and the directions they face, as well as any outdoor shade elements like trees or porches. Typically near a window will be bright light. Away from a window will be indirect light, and a room with no windows or a shady corner will be low light. Some plants like the monstera and fiddle leaf fig thrive in bright indirect light. Others, like the ZZ plant and pothos, can tolerate low light. When choosing plants for your home, be sure to select plants that can adapt to your light conditions. Your best light will be near a south-facing window, although east and west-facing windows can work well for plants with lower light requirements. If you're considering a few locations, try your plant in each spot to see where it's happiest. Monitor your plants to make sure they're thriving. Brown spots on leaves can mean it's getting too much direct light and burning, while slow growth or plants that seem to reach for the light may be receiving too little. FastGrowingTrees.com has tons of options to improve your living spaces. Shop our houseplants today. FastGrowingTrees.com. We keep you growing.